friends, let's practice the friendly tree mindful movement set. Let's bounce and shake your leaves. Imagine that you're in the forest next to a nice, big, friendly tree. Take a deep breath and sigh it out. Now stop and feel your heartbeats. Imagine you have roots coming out of the bottoms of your feet. Invite peace, reaching up. Take a deep breath and exhale. Invite peace. Breathing in and breathing out. Invite peace. Very nice. Find a smile. Imagine there's sunlight tapping on your face and head. Tap, tap, tap. Just let it tap. Let your eyes close and smile as you tap the sunlight on your face and your head. It's gentle and warm. And now with that sunlight being strong in the earth, the tree can grow. The tree grows. Breathe in and out. The tree grows and the leaves come out. Shake your leaves. Shake and bounce. Shake and bounce. Shake and bounce. Now stop and feel your roots deep into the earth. Breathe in, invite peace, and out. In and out. In and out. Now feel your hearts and smile. Allow your heart to sing a song. Ha. Make a flower with your hands. A beautiful flower from your heart. Smile into your flower. Bees love flowers. Tap under your collarbones on your chest and make the sound of a bee. Now stop and take a deep breath and let it go. There's a bear in the forest, a big bear. Make yourself big like a big bear and bring your elbows into your belly. Big bear. Roar. stretching big. Breathing, feel your big bear breath. Make your bear big, open your arms and give yourself a big bear hug. Oh. Open your arms and give yourself another big bear hug. Big bear. Now, relax and bounce and shake. Shake your leaves. Shake your leaves. Now stop and feel your feet roots into the ground. Reach up and invite peace. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Bring your hands to your hearts and smile. Let's pick magical fruit from the tree. Reaching and bringing magical fruit in. Reach. Maybe there's some fruit over here and fruit over there. Just stretch and reach the fruit. Oh, there's a little fruit right up there. I'm bringing it in. And we have all of this magical fruit. Let's swing our arms and put it in a basket. A basket of fruits. And now, let's rub our bellies and imagine we're eating that magical fruit. Delicious magical fruit. Take a deep breath and let it go. And let's bounce and shake again. Shake your leaves. Shake your leaves. Bounce and shake. Now let your feet be roots in the ground. Reach up and invite peace. Let your hands come to your hearts. Feel your heartbeats. Feel your breath. And smile. Now it's getting dark and the moon is in the sky. Hold the moon and turn the moon. Holding the big, bright, beautiful moon between your hands. Now I'll let the moon get smaller and hold it between your hands. Turn and look at the moon. Holding the moon very carefully between your hands and turn and look at the moon. You know who likes the moon is an owl. Let's be a nice big owl sitting on a branch. Whoo! 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 Beautiful. One more time, we'll shake our leaves. Shake, bounce, and shake. And stop and feel your roots in the earth. Breathe in as you reach up and invite peace. One more deep breath in and let it go. And bring your hands to your heart and smile as you feel your heartbeat and offer yourself kindness and peace and love. Thank you.